The Sunnen model VGS-20C valve seat machine is powered by a 230-volt single-phase electric motor, equipped with a 46-inch bed and pneumatic clamps and tooling cabinet. We received this entire machine for a complete overhaul and cleaning. We removed decades of dirt and grime and replaced all the electronics in the machine with new retrofitted AC motor controls, thereby bringing this older machine into the modern era and allowing for adjustments the original system would not allow. As shown in this video, we are testing all the movement of the machine and the main cutting spindle, which is now controlled by a brand new motor controller. ERD has the physical space and equipment to perform full rebuilds on machines of this size and larger. All machines we rebuild come with our full industry-leading warranty. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.